You can find a color by using InDesign's own color picker by clicking this box over there and just clicking around. And over here you can get an endless, basically, choice of colors, and you can even switch which thing it's focusing on and then just mess around until you find something you like. That's one way to find a color, and definitely suggest it as an option. If you find a color you like, you can write down the hex code so you don't lose it. You can also add it directly to your RGB swatches. And that's one way. Another way that you can find a color is by using Adobe Color. So let's look on the site, Adobe Color. And what this is it's a color palette generator. It has all of these different harmonies that you can use, and by moving around these pins, you get different colors. The one with the arrow reflects the one in the middle. Now we're doing a monochromatic color scheme, so notice how now the circles only exist on one line. You can also use shades to find a monochromatic theme. And you can mess around until you find something you like. The color that you like does not need to be the center one, because you get all of the codes. On this side you're getting RGB. Well, it's RGB and brightness over here. You can change that to a different color mode, but I think using the hex code is just the simplest. You can mess around until you find something you like, and then write the hex code for any of them. So you can find the color that you like this way, and then when you actually want to use it, you can just write the code in here. But another option, and what's great about using Adobe Color, is that it works across the Adobe platforms. You can find a color scheme that you like, and then add it, save it to your library, whatever library you want to add it to, and just save it, and then it shows up in let's hit cancel. If you go to Windows and Library, and you don't need to do this quite yet, it's not something you need to worry about yet, but the color scheme that you save will show up in your library in InDesign. See, these are all color schemes that I've created, and then they just get saved to your cloud. So that's something useful to know, and a way that you can find a color in the first place and then use it later.